In this video, you'll learn how to capture keyboard input in real time using JavaScript, how to track key presses and releases with precise timestamps, and how to display the same input twice, once instantly and once with a delay. Let's start by creating the basic HTML layout. We'll prepare two groups of WASD keys, one for real-time feedback and one for the delayed version. Next, we'll style the keys using CSS. Each key will appear as a rounded square with a dark background, just to keep things visually clean and easy to follow. The styling is not essential for learning the core concepts, but it helps make the interface pleasant to look at. Now we move into JavaScript. We'll set up two event listeners, keydown to detect when a key is pressed and keyup to detect when it is released. These events are essential for any interactive application or game. We'll also filter the input so that we only track W, A, S, and D. This function listens for the keydown event and reacts whenever the user presses one of the allowed keys. It ignores repeated key presses, converts the key to lowercase, and highlights the corresponding on-screen key by adding the pressed class. This gives us real-time visual feedback for each valid input. Now the same concept is applied to keyup event, but this time we'll remove pressed class to restore the original transparent background. At the moment in the live input we can see WASD keys pressed and released in real time. Now we'll work on delay. Every time we detect a key down or key up, we store an object that contains the key, the type of event, and a timestamp using performance.now. This gives us millisecond level precision and lets us reproduce the exact sequence of input events later. Next, we create a buffer system that replays our stored events after a delay. We'll use a loop powered by requestAnimationFrame, continuously checking which events are old enough to be displayed. Any event older than our chosen delay is applied to the second set of keys. This lets us visualize a 1-second input delay. As you can see, the concept remains the same. We keep adding or removing pressed class from the proper key div. And that's it. Now you have a fully working system that captures real-time keyboard input, records precise events, and shows a delayed buffered version using pure JavaScript. You've learned how to use keydown and keyup listeners, how to track timing with performance.now, and how to build a smooth update loop with requestAnimationFrame. With these foundations, you can expand the project into replays, rhythm game mechanics, or more advanced input visualizers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.